Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn some very important words which have appeared in previous year exams or some important words which are highly expected. So let's begin with it. Abate meaning reduce or become less. In Hindi we will say kam hona. This was asked in SSC CGL 2024. Benevolent meaning kind and generous. In Hindi, dayalu. This was also asked in 2024. Frivolous meaning not serious. In Hindi we will say tuch. This was asked in Banking 2024. Ubiquitous meaning present everywhere. In Hindi, sarvavyapi. This was asked in Banking 2025. Lethargic meaning lazy or lacking energy. In Hindi, sust. Zeal meaning great enthusiasm. In Hindi, utsah. Adept meaning highly skilled. In Hindi, nipun. Baffle meaning confuse. In Hindi, उलझन में डालना. Coerce meaning force someone. In Hindi, मजबूर करना. Dwindle meaning reduce gradually. In Hindi, धीरे धीरे कम होना. Empathy meaning understand feelings. In Hindi, सहानुभूति. Fine meaning pretend. In Hindi, दिखावा करना. Grim meaning serious or harsh. In Hindi, कठोर या गंभीर. Hinder meaning create obstacle. In Hindi, बाधा डालना. Invoke meaning call upon. In Hindi, आह्वान करना. Jaded meaning tired or bored. In Hindi, ऊबा हुआ. Linger meaning stay longer. In Hindi, देर तक रहना. Mend meaning repair. In Hindi, सुधारना. Omit meaning leave out. In Hindi, छोड़ देना. Ponder meaning think deeply. In Hindi, गहराई से सोचना. Quell meaning suppress. In Hindi, शांत करना. Malevolent meaning having evil intentions. In Hindi, दुष्ट या दुर्भावनापूर्ण. It was asked in SSC CHSL 2020. Lamentable meaning deserving sorrow or regret. In Hindi, खेदजनक और दुखद. Kindle